I'm Sivan. It's my first YouTube video. First, I want to start with a video on the molding know-how or reverse engineering in molding fabrication. Since I already have this in hand, so I'll go with this first. The topic that I want to discuss is why there will always an undetected losses in any manufacturing that you can turn it into profit. Why there will be an undetected losses in any manufacturing that you can turn it into profit. When I shared this short clip in Insta and Facebook, I get many questions and also motivated me to start this video. On top of that, I have chatted with many friends, some of them industry owner and staff in top management and middle management in an organization regards to this topic. Okay, I selected 3 questions. How come it can't be detected? Are you sure about this? How come it can't be detected by the auditors? Is it adapted or changed to suit one's purpose? It's now a normal practice for a single part costing. Basically, you will input the details to the quotation. Example, material cost plus loss ratio, which include loss during startup, scrap, and etc. Number 2 is process cost plus loss ratio. Others cost, packing, transport plus profit. Meaning, for each part quotation, you have included estimation loss you have detected or will be encountered. Okay, this is an example only. We come back to the topic. How big is the loss estimation which goes undetected? I would say it be about 0.2% to 2% from the total sales. It may differ, depends on the manufacturing process and how good are the monitoring or assessment is done in the particular manufacturing company. For example, if you take 0.2% for 100 million sales, that means the losses are about 200,000. If you take 2% for 100 million sales, that means the losses are 2 million. Meaning the range of the undetected losses will be around 200,000 to 2 million. Okay, in the lean manufacturing, the losses that we understand are transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, defects, and unutilized talent. Yes, correct. But how it goes undetected? Come back to the first question. How come it can't be detected? The answer is when the abnormal become normal in your manufacturing process, then how are you going to detect it? I want to touch about value stream mapping. You may find the examples in the net. Basic for manufacturing, you should have value stream mapping or similar tools to identify inventory type, size, cycle time, changeover time, machinery process uptime, downtime, and number of workers, shift work, available working hours, and batch size. Value stream mapping not only can be used for manufacturing, but can be used for other industry too, such as healthcare, logistics, education, and other businesses too. Once you've done the value stream mapping or other similar tools that you are using, it'll be easy to identify the process flow and inventory at each processes. Okay, I come back to the question. Can it be detected by the auditors? My answer is no, because when you requested the auditor to check, they will check from the system. Okay, so when the system says 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so the audit result will be show everything in place unless they find out 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3.2. Then you are finished. As long the system is well adjusted when it's presented to the auditors, then it look okay in the eyes of the auditor. Okay. The next question is it adapted or changed to suit one's purpose? Not 100% yes to this question, but it's about 70% is happened in the manufacturing. Because when the system says 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, everyone must follow it for all level of employee. It happened in most of the places. This is where you are missing the chances for the improvement or correction at your process that you may turn it into profit. You may have a fantastic or high-tech system for your manufacturing processes, but as long there is no thorough audit done, at least 3 to 5 years one, there will be always some pocket that will be used for adjustment that the auditor or leader or bosses of the company are not aware of. Okay, just say you are a leader or director at your workplace. You are giving a direction. Next year onwards, I want the productivity to increase by 5%. Another year, you give them the same direction. Increase the productivity to 5%. Third year, the same direction. Increase the productivity to 5%. If you notice, in some place, if you notice, by the third year, you have increased the productivity by 15%, and the operation will be running as normal with the increased capacity. What happened if you identify at the first year, you have increased the productivity by 15% in the first year itself? This is just an example only. One way is you go back to the basic, to your resources in your processes and do a thorough audit. Actually, there are few areas that can be targeted for an audit or review, so that you can detect the areas to be improved easily. At some places, changes for the sake of change can be more damaging than no change at all. Okay, some leaders change things they shouldn't change, and don't change those they should. Maybe you can say I'm wrong. Maybe it can be. Okay. You can contact me at sivanvijay@gmail.com for more enquiries. Okay. Or you can comment at the below video. Please subscribe, like, and share so that you will get notified when my next video is uploaded. Thank you very much.